have to like take the, can you take the, erase them off or something?
What do you mean erase them off?
Pencil marks.
Sure, but they'll go away.
Yeah.
But you could.
That's pretty awesome, eh?
That's amazing. And it was big enough.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Do you want to smooth this up at all?
No, no, I love it like that. I love it like that.
Like, I mean, some of this broken part?
No, I don't want to. I love it. It's like an arrow, right? I'm going to put it on a tree so it
No,
like...
I know you want it like an arrow, but this is broken. Do you want to smooth this broken at all?
No, no.
Okay.
No, I like the natural.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks
very
pretty good
nice.
for the first time, right?
It's amazing. Well, it's not your first time. This is your first time. That's pretty cool. We're going to put this down there by the pond now.
Yeah.
You're so good.
That's awesome, eh? That's fun. Thank you.
Welcome.
It's cool.
So
yeah.
now, what's it like using the router?
I love it. I love it. Like, it's so much fun. But I think if I did it myself, I would have like a workbench that I could clamp so that I don't have to try to worry about it moving.
Yeah.
Because, you know, you want it to be...
Well, yeah, this should be clamped properly.
Yeah.
If we had used a few more clamps, it would have worked.
Yeah.
Now, to use the router, all you do is you hold it and you with both hands and you squeeze this lever here.
Yeah. So it's pretty easy. Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
That's amazing, and you did it.
Thank you, Nancy.
I would never have thought of using that piece. I thought, oh, well, this, yeah, we can't use this.
Yeah.
We can maybe cut it off.
No, it's perfect. I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not really very deep, but in some spots. But that's okay.
Yeah, you can redo it, but it's so hard to redo because you end up messing it up.
Yeah, you just do something different, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, that's cool. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.